Hello, we are FreshFoodies presenting our app LookingGlass. I'm Jackie.
I'm Stephanie.
I'm Osbert,
I'm Arjun.
I'm David.
and this is our problem context. So approximately 40% of purchased foods in the United States go to waste, and young adults seem to be the biggest culprits, typically ages between 18 and 25, and this can be for a variety of reasons. The first being lack of experience or conscientiousness. So this is more like in the beginning of your adult life, you just lack the experience, and sometimes you forget when things expire, and this lack of awareness will have foods go bad. According to our user research, most college students and young adults don't actively track their groceries.
So our problem statement is, how might young adults living independently in shared housing achieve better grocery habits so that they can reduce spending and measure food waste?
Some of our key research insights were that expiration is the primary reason that food is wasted. Young adults living in shared housing tend to utilize apps such as Splitwise and OfferUp for splitting costs and buying things. And a similar concept with foods that allows users to offer up extra unwanted food to roommates would be a welcome addition to a lot of these users' apps. And in addition, the ability to track expirations and food quantities would help remind users of expired.
So for our persona, Sarah has trouble remembering what perishables are hers, what food she needs to eat first, and they end up expiring and then going to waste. So we want to build a platform to help track her food and its expiration, and also help her offer up food for her housemates to use.
So the key features of our solution is a personal fridge and a shared fridge. In the personal fridge, you can track your own food by expiration and category and such. And then on the far right hand, that's the shared fridge where you can offer up your own items for other roommates to use with that middle button on the left screen. So the things we user tested was first the intuitiveness of the app. We got a lot of comments on the user bar that the basket was kind of confusing. So we added that icon to make it less confusing and create an association that the basket equals shared fridge. And second, we wanted to clarify the design components. So just make them look a little better and cleaner, and also just less confusing since, for example, the category button didn't look like a sort by at first. So we added that letter, added the down arrow, and yeah. Sarah has just downloaded the app LookingGlass after her roommates got it too. She learns that in this app, she can track her groceries and record their quantities and expiration dates. And she can also create a shared fridge or join the fridge that her roommates already made, so she can offer up her extra or unused groceries to the shared fridge for them to use. She sees her inventory is empty, so she decides to scan a receipt and upload her first items. She sees all the items have been successfully added in, so she puts those into her inventory and sees that they're currently sorted by expiration date. She wants to see what kind of meat she has for dinner tonight and sees that she has beef, ham, and chicken. A couple days later, she realizes she's not going to have time to use up her beef or her ham, so she decides to upload that to the shared fridge for her roommates to use. And now those are in there.
So for ethical considerations, our values going into the project were frugality, discipline, privacy, and accountability. So a couple of ethical concerns that we had were accessibility, where we wanted it to be inclusive in all mobile platforms, and privacy and confidentiality, where users were worried about their personal fridge that could be accessed by others using the app. So a couple of decisions that we made were inclusivity, where the app works on both Android and iOS through React Native, and also fridge privacy kept separate, where the users of a shared household can all access the shared fridge, but not other users' individual fridges.
And some of our next steps beyond Capstone for anyone continuing our project are to add food waste reports to the app so users can see how much food they're actually wasting on a monthly basis, incorporating facts relating to expiration dates and food waste to help further educate users, and the ability to customize fridge privacy settings and notifications to increase customizability.
With that, we are FreshFoodies. Thank you for watching.